Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to deactivate Snapchat account. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and click on your Bitmoji at the top left next to the search bar. And what you're going to do, you're going to just go ahead and click the settings gear at the top right. Okay? Scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down, scroll a little bit down till you find your deactivation or deleting your account. And just go ahead right here to click delete your account. Don't worry, just go ahead right here and continue to allow recent page, right? And then you're gonna log in with your basically account on Snapchat. All right, so you can confirm that this is your actual account, right? You're gonna wait for a few moments, all right? And after you wait, you're gonna be able to proceed with the deactivation, because once you delete the account, they will deactivate it first, right, before they delete it permanently. There's not like any other social media that you need to basically do something different or something like that, right? So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead right here, all right, and then hit next, and then continue with your account, all right, and then basically gonna tell them the reason why that you want to actually delete, or why you want to delete your account, all right? And then basically once you continue, it says right here, your account will be deactivated, which means friends won't be able to contact you on Snapchat. You'll also lose any chats that you saved and any snaps in chats you haven't opened. And after 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. So you can get back to it whenever you want around that 30-day, all right, period. So that's one of the comments for this video. Hope you don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.